Hi everyone, it's Nydia. Today I'll be showing you guys how I use the lip and cheek from my Subtl stack in 3 different ways. So without further ado, let's get started. The shade I will be using today is called Dusty Rose, and this has been one of my favorites for a very long time. Starting off with the cheeks, just gonna go in my ring finger, tap a little bit like so. Gently spread that across. I also like to go in on the nose. Just connect everything because this gives it more of a natural sun-kissed look. Okay, so the cheeks are now done and we'll be moving on to the lips. So same thing, using my ring finger. Our lips and our cheeks are all done, and I'm going to move on to the third way I use my lip and cheek. And this is kind of an unconventional way, but I want to put this on my eyelids. This is a really good base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply. And actually the eyeshadow I'll be using is the highlighter from my stack. So we have the base on our eyes, and it's a pink color, so it's kind of a blushy, romantic, girly vibe we're going for today. Now this can be a finished look if you would like, but I'm going to apply 2 more products, both from my Subtl stack, just to tie the look together. So on my eyes, I'm going to apply the highlighter. And I'm just going to brush this lightly on the middle section of my eyes. And this is just to give me more of a awakened look. As you can see, every time I blink, you're starting to see the shimmer. And then my last step is to apply this bronzer from my stack on the outer corners of my eyes. Everyone, that's 3 ways to wear your lip and cheek on your lips, your cheeks, and also on your eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah.